guys, Matt Mobile World back here for another video, and today, yes, I know it's been forever, but the thing is, I have a bunch going on with shopping and stuff, but I'm back, and I got some stuff to open for y'all, and so I'm just gonna open them up for y'all. And also, here's a little lineup update. I kind of sold all my offensive line and just got a beast wide receiver, tight end, and quarterback and halfback. And this is all my leftovers. I'm trying to save some of those. So I just got this stuff. I mean, I really don't know why. Well, let's hop right into it. Starting off with the most crappiest thing. Because usually nothing will come out of this. Yeah, exactly. But to just move on. I know, guys, it's been a minute that I've recorded, so sorry for that. But I'm coming back, and I have a pretty big team. So dang, are we not gonna get an elite out of one of these? I really hope we get an elite trophy out of one of these. Did we get an elite? No, we did not. Let's go to this quick for you guys. I really do not know what this is. Well, it gave us a silver player. Okay. I'll go to the pro pack. Okay, let's do let's go the back and forth tactic. Oh, that wasn't too good. Anyways, go on to the flurry pack. Whatever this thing is. What is this? Okay. Ooh. TJ Clemens, however you say this guy's name. Ooh. Okay, can we get like another pack from this? I think we actually may have enough for this. No, we do not. I think we're going to be off by one, maybe. Wait, we have exactly enough to get another goal. That's 3 goals. Okay. Let's see. I really want like one of those Tim Hightower kickers. I already have one, but I'm pretty sure they sell for a good bit. So, come on. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh, I thought that was actually 3 gold players. I was like, whoa. But anyways, hopping into this next one. Sorry again, guys. I haven't been uploading as much as I used to, but yeah, I've been shopping a lot for Christmas presents for people. Oh, in Berry Church. Okay, well, I really didn't get any that I wanted, but let me try. I'll go try to get maybe a quick sell in. I'm gonna go get a quick sell. I think I have enough for a quick sell. I actually might not have enough. Hold on. Do I have enough is the question. Oh wow, I got lucky on those bronze trophies. Even if I didn't do that bronze trophy, I probably had enough coins to buy one. Okay. 3, 2, 1. 40K. Ooh, that's not bad at all. I'll take that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Actually, hold on. I'm not gonna finish it off here. Let's go buy another elite. Why not? Now I'm gonna have 40K. Let's go buy an elite. Oops. Sorry, guys. Dang it! I keep hitting that thing. Okay, now I'm just messing with them. Okay, so let's go buy an elite for 40k. Let's see what we can get. 44k. Because, I mean, that was kind of boring. I really didn't get anything, so let's end it off with an elite. Dang it, why isn't it loading? There. Hold on. Okay. 44, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Guys, do not waste your coins on this. He is going to turn down to a 74 overall. Do not waste your coins on this. A new live event? Okay. Really don't know what I need. I mean, I have a pretty good offense. You know what? I might just buy. Let's do. I don't even know. You know what? Let's just buy this psych. I don't want an O-lineman. Let's go with a. No, not team position. Let's go. Can we get safety? I think I need another safety other than Kirk Coleman. Yes, and we can get Rashad Jones. I might get him. Oh, bam, 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 cam, bang. Yes, bam, bam. Well, I guess I'll end it off here. That was a pretty exciting video. I like the pickup. I like what we got. I have enough for one more pro pack. We'll go buy that. We'll end the video. And yeah, let's see what we can get out of this pro pack. Okay, start off with Snowflake. Gary Barnage. Wow, I just butchered that guy's name. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Peace.